I think it was a case of the university. From my friends that were studying at this university before in the undergrad, they were also exposed to these new things. It's new for us because of our older university. We never had that. It's the teachers and the universities that come into the universities that change that. Like when we were in undergrad, we had one teacher who came and who just changed everything. It taught me how to design properly. And that wasn't because of masters or undergrad. That was because of the university itself. It's better quality teaching.
I agree quite a bit with what Ahmad said there. It is kind of down to a university. My previous university, I was worked to the bone, and even that wasn't good enough. The tutors were so unforgiving, is a good way of putting it. All tutors were so unforgiving for what you were doing. The moment I introduced a bit of colour, the moment I involved just a tiny bit of blue, just a little bit of colour, they're like, why have you got that there? Dull it down. You need, put it down to a fade like 5%. It's like, well, I might as well just not bother then. And now at this university, I don't know if it's because it's masters or because it's a different university, I think, but I'm doing things I would never have dared to do back at my undergrads. I'm doing work that, had I shown any of this to my tutors in undergrad, they were like, no, be gone. Don't ever step back in this room again. And now I'm being actively encouraged to pursue the way I'm designing and stuff like that. I'm using GIFs and stuff in my work. And it's like, God, no, my tutors in undergrad would never wanted this. Dynamics, actually enjoying this presentation I'm looking at. No, never, not allowed.